In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer service in Target. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to target.com. You don't need any special setup, just a stable internet connection. The homepage will load with featured deals and navigation across the top. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Many support options live in the footer, so that's where we're going. When you reach the footer, look for the Help section. It's typically grouped with other service links. Click Help to open Target's support area. Next, on the Help page, find and select Contact Us. This takes you to a dedicated page titled something like Let Us Know How We Can Help. Here, Target organizes support by topic, so you can get to the right team faster. You'll see categories that cover common needs, things like orders, payments, and in-store issues. Choosing the best fitting category helps reduce back and forth and speeds up your resolution. If you're not sure which one is right, pick the closest match. You can always clarify with the agent. For example, if your question is about something that happened in a physical store, click Store Experience. That will open details and options tailored to store-related concerns. On that Store Experience page, look for the Contact Us area. This is where you decide how you want to connect with Target. You'll have two primary choices. First, chat with us online. Clicking this opens a chat window in your browser. You can type your question, share relevant details, and upload any requested information. Keep the page open while you chat so you don't lose the session. For faster help, have useful info ready, such as your order number, the store location, dates, or item details. Response times can vary based on demand, so hang tight if there's a short queue. Alternatively, choose Phone a Live Agent. Selecting this option will display the phone contact for that specific category along with current hours of operation. Calling connects you directly to a representative who can walk through solutions with you step by step. Just like with chat, having key details handy helps the agent verify your account and address the issue efficiently. And that's it. Go to Target's site, head to Help, tap Contact Us, choose the category that matches your situation, and then pick chat or phone. Follow these steps and you'll be speaking with the right customer service team in no time.